Hello, Johnny. How are you this morning?
Well, apart from the fact that everyone wants to stick their dicks in my ass, I would say that things are not going too bad. Who the fuck are you?
You don't know me, but I know you well. I work for the RAPE, a corporation that offers services to our great government, and I would like to have a few words with you.
Do I look like I feel like talking?
Jesus Christ, what the fuck?
When the director says he wants to talk to you, you talk to him. Is that fucking clear? Okay, dude, I get it.
Ralph, you can leave now.
But Mr. Director,
Ralph, leave us alone.
yeah, Ralph, get the fuck out.
So, Johnny, can we talk now?
All right, what do you want to talk about?
As we see in your files, you became a police officer at the age of 23. Is that right?
Yep.
At the beginning of your career, you were portrayed as the perfect young, ambitious, and promising cop. But as the years went by, misconduct and rebelliousness gradually became a habit.
I guess you're right.
Your superiors and colleagues found out that you were getting a little bit rough with suspects you were arresting. Do you agree with that statement?
Well, let's say that some dumb fucks sometimes need to be shaken up a little.
Let's talk about the reason why you're here. 3 months ago, you savagely killed a man because he was beating his wife.
Yep,
But after you killed the wife,
yep.
don't you think this kind of behavior is somewhat unusual?
Well, first of all, saying that the dirty scum was beating his wife is too nice of a statement. I mean, come on. He severely mutilated her fucking face. And as for the wife, she was a sick fuck. I was gonna save her, but the dirty cunt decided to screw me over.
So, should I conclude that you do not regret anything at all?
Nope. I regret that all this shit got me into trouble, but I strongly believe those two shitbags only deserve to be put out of their misery.
Okay, so let me make sure we're clear on this. Shooting this man, knowing he was a threat to your life, and then killing this woman, you think that was the right thing to do?
On a legal basis, maybe not, but according to my own moral code, it definitely needed to be done.
And why is that?
To me, they're nothing but rats. Society doesn't need this shit. I strongly believe that. To maintain a healthy society, major cleanups must be carried out from time to time. All right, Sigmund Freud. Enough psychoanalysis for today. What the fuck do you want?
See, Johnny, we take care of important top secret tasks for our great government, and we are currently looking for a new candidate to fill an important position within our organization.
A job?
You heard me well.
You want to give me a job?
Exactly.
What the hell? I'm in jail for cold-blooded double murder?
If you want to, we can get you out tomorrow morning.
I don't understand where this is all heading, but I'm listening.
See, Johnny, we are currently looking for mercenaries to integrate into our organization. It is a very urgent national security need.
Mercenaries? I was a city cop, not a goddamn mercenary.
Johnny, I can recognize a soldier when I see one, and I can assure you that your profile fits exactly what we are looking for.
Yeah, whatever, dude. But let's pretend that you are not bullshitting me. What exactly would the specifics of that job be?
We cannot tell you what the job involves not until you commit by signing up.
That makes no sense. You can't just ask me to sign a piece of paper without me knowing what's at stake.
You need to understand that, under the circumstances, it would be irresponsible for us to disclose classified national security information to you and then allow you to return to your cell.
Yeah, but still, I don't like signing shit I know nothing about.
An city cop must have a very nasty reputation inside these walls. As we speak, your life must be like hell on earth.
Well, let's say that my asshole is in constant danger of being destroyed.
Johnny. You have 25 years to rot in this hellhole, and what I'm offering you is freedom in exchange for a very simple commitment to us. I don't think this is such a tough gamble to make.
Okay, let's say I sign your shady little piece of paper and start working for you. But after a while, I hate the job and decide to quit. What happens next?
Because you will know too much about our secret activities, we will have no choice but to put you to sleep.
Damn. You guys really don't mess around.
That's exactly why we want you, Johnny. We need people who don't settle for half measures. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose, Johnny. We'll double your salary and offer you a full range of benefits.
Do you offer dental insurance?